In this video, I will show you how to turn on Pinterest dark mode on PC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. I'm using Chrome browser and my PC to open Pinterest. By default, there is no dark mode settings for Pinterest, but I will show you in this video a workaround to get Pinterest dark mode on PC. So first thing to do is open Pinterest sites on your Chrome browser. After that, click this extension button right here. Then click on Manage Extensions. And this side, click this Chrome Web Store. Now in the search box, search for Pinterest Dark. Choose the second result, then tap on Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. Now you see that Pinterest is still in light mode. To enable dark mode, tap on this extension button. Select this Pinterest Dark theme. Now this pop-up will appear. Just enable this toggle right here to turn on Pinterest dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Pinterest dark mode on PC. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.